Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I decided to use my Huda beauty palette to create a very soft look. So let's get the video started. And I already primed my eyelid with my LA Girl Pro concealer and set it with my Anastasia powder. So I'll use my brush to take this color teddy here, right here. Now I'm using this shade right here, Play, to blend my transitional color together. Now I'm going ahead to cut my crease using my LA Girl Pro concealer. I'm using the shade Foam. And I'm using my concealer brush to do that. Now I'm using this shade right here, Crave. Wow. Oh, I love the pigmentation. I'm just packing it on. Now I'm going to use the shade Love Bite. The name got me laughing. I'm using Love Bite same brush. Now I will go ahead and apply my foundation, and my foundation for today is Floma Perfect Coverage Foundation. I'll go ahead and apply it off camera and I'll get back to you. I went ahead and did my foundation off camera, my foundation, my highlighting. Now I'm contouring my nose and the rest of my face. And I'm using this brush to contour the rest of my face. Luxury powder to bake my face. I have some here, so I guess. I'm just trying to use a small amount. I'm going back into my brush. In that same palette I use the Huda Beauty. I'm going back to the color Spanked, the first shade here, from my lower. Okay. Now I'm going back. Now I'm going back into my palette to use this shade right here. To dust off my excess. No, this shade right here. To dust off my excess powder. And I'm sending it down. using my MAC blush. I'm using this lighter shade here, and I'm using the same, no, I'm going in with this brush for my blush. Now I'm using my Floma. Now I'm using my Floma eyeliner for my waterline. For this look, I'm not wearing lashes, so I'll use my mascara to curl my lashes. As I said, I'm not wearing lashes, so I'm using my mascara to curl my lashes. And my bottom lashes as well. Okay guys, for today, my lip, I'm going with something very nude, which is Huda. No, I'm using classic lip gloss. No, classic matte lipstick in the shade Millbrook. I hope I got the name right. I'm going back into my Anastasia brow pencil to line my lip. Okay. That's it for the lips. For my glow, I'm using this palette. Is it Shimmering Glow Powder for my glow. I'm using my Elegant setting spray. Now I'm going into my crease. I'm going with this right here. A small amount. Now I'm going back into my concealer brush to highlight my brow bone. I'm using the lighter shade in this palette. Okay guys, that's the final look, and thanks so much. Thanks so much for supporting me. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel.